What's the meaning of colonize? Colonize. Colonize.
Colonize. Colonize. The term colonize refers to the process of establishing control over a foreign territory or population. This often involves the migration of people from the colonizing country to the new territory, and the imposition of political, economic, and social structures on the local population. The results of colonization can be far-reaching and long-lasting, with impacts on everything from language and culture to political power dynamics and economic development. Historically, colonization has often been accompanied by violence, exploitation, and forced assimilation, leading to ongoing tensions and inequalities between colonizers and colonized peoples.